How to update Netflix on Samsung Smart TV. First of all, whether you're on the Netflix app or not, you want to click the home button on your Samsung TV remote, then scroll to the left until you see apps, click on to apps, then you want to go to the top right hand corner, then go to settings or to apps and then type in Netflix if you do not have it already. But for most of you, if you're trying to update it, you'll already have the Netflix app. So scroll along until you see the Netflix app to the right hand side there. Then scroll down until you see the section where it says view details. In there should be an update button. If you do not have the latest updated version, you'll be able to click on that, update it, then that's how it will be done for you. If not, then you can scroll down and then click on reinstall. That means it will delete the app from your Samsung TV, then re-download it with the latest update. So that's the two ways of getting it done there. If not, you have to go ahead and go to apps and then type in Netflix. And in the top right hand corner there, you can turn auto update on, so automatically update your Netflix. That's how it's done. Leave a like on the video if it helped and subscribe for more helpful videos.